Hello, front loader here for a small lawn tractor. It was on there on that Cub Cadet, but me and my dad took it off. Uh, but we plan on putting it on his Bowens tractor. But we found this on Facebook Marketplace and we purchased it. So we're got to make a few changes on it so it'll fit on his Bowens tractor, because it was made for the Cub Cadet. But we're gonna do a few changes on it so we could fit it on my dad's Bowens tractor, and then we're gonna have a front loader on my dad's Bowens. But that's the front loader. And after we put this on my dad's, then I plan on using this here, because I have a Cub Cadet about that same model, and I can use the mock-up or the designs off of this, and I was planning on maybe making one for mine, make a front loader and a small little backhoe and for mine, and have it. Well, that's it with that. I just wanted to show that we went and got this little front loader. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, share, and like, and comment. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye.